Miwako, welcome back to my channel. For today I have 4 Mori girl outfits, ideal for those who live in a country with a hot weather and would love to wear casual Mori outfit. But first, let's talk about today's sponsor, LilyHair. LilyHair is a company that provides high quality wigs. They have a huge variety of realistic wigs with different textures, length, and natural color choices. Their wigs are medical grade PU, comes with silicone strips, and are hypoallergic, ideal for people with sensitive skin. LilyHair was kind enough of making a coupon code for my subscriber. You can use my code Miwako30 and save $30 in any wig. Details in the description box. I have chosen Amy Pixie wig in color H26, which is very close to my hair color. This wig is 70% human hair and 30% premium fiber. This wig has a natural scalp, has different shades of blonde highlights, it doesn't tangle, complete style, and it's ideal for those who are looking for stylish boy wigs. Thanks LilyHair for providing this wig for this video. So, without any more waiting, let's go ahead and start with today's lookbook. Hope you like it! about today's video. I know that a lot of people feel very intimidated with Mori girl fashion because a lot of people live in hot areas, so I really hope that this video was kind of helpful on giving you ideas of what type of clothing you can wear. I have to thank LilyHair for providing me this wig. I don't think that all of these outfits would have looked this cute without this short wig. I always wanted to see how I look with very short hair, also wearing Mori girl fashion, so this was perfect. I will be making more lookbooks, and I'm also gonna be making more Mori girl videos for my Mori girl series. So if you have any ideas for another Mori girl videos, let me know in a comment below. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Mori girls video and also kawaii videos too. Thank you again for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.